This is a video showing how to upload pages to the Kildare culture site and embed videos into the site as well. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to kildareculture.com/WP login, which is the way you get into the WordPress site. Once you're at WP login, you're going to want to put in your username and password, hit login, and this will bring you to the dashboard. Once you're at the dashboard, we're going to move into the pages section. And here we can see all of the pages that the website holds. And for the purpose of putting up a new artist page, what we're going to do is duplicate the existing pages on the site. So for this example, I'm going to do, we'll say, Amy Dillon. So we get one of the other artist pages. So there's BellX1, there's ELOL, there's Megan O'Neill. All of these are other artist pages, but for this one we'll just clone BidX1. And you can see the new page here as a draft, and it's using the Elementor plugin. So we'll jump in here and we'll hit edit. And when you hit edit, you can change the title of the page here. So as I said, we're doing a page for Amy Dillon. Put in the name, and then we can edit what the link looks like. So I think the best way to do it is just the artist name, Amy-Dillon. We'll hit OK, and then we hit publish. So that publishes the page, but it's still with all of the BellX1 content. So we jump in and we hit edit with Elementor. So this is the tool for editing the pages. We can see the page is already formatted like all of the other performances that we did in the past. But we can see the video is still BellX1. So there's two elements to the video that we'll have to change. One is straight up just the link. So when you upload Amy Dillon's performance to YouTube, we input the link into this little field here. So this is still the BellX1 performance probably. And the second thing you can change if you want is the image overlay. So sometimes you might not want to show, that's the YouTube video in the background, but we've just put in a photo of BellX1 here. But I can hit X and delete that, and that shows the video. So you can do one or the other. If you have an overlay image of the artist to use, you can put that in there as well. But it's really simple. Just swap the link, put in Amy Dillon's performance, that'll update. And when you paste the YouTube video in, there's a V. So this is important only if it's going to be put up as a premiere. If it's uploaded as a normal YouTube video, you don't need to do this. You can just right click the stream. So you can click this thing and right click it and hit delete if you want to get rid of the live stream, because sometimes the video won't be set up as a premiere, so there won't be a live stream, so you can just delete it then. But alternatively, if the video is being displayed as a premiere, what we're going to need to do is, once we have our video locked in here, take every letter up until the equals after the V on your YouTube video link. So that's important if you want to put in the chat feed. You then click into this little widget here, and it's just a piece of shortcode, and you swap out the letters. So it'll be V, and you just swap out those letters for whatever letters are there up until the ampersand. So you go equals the thing, so you hit paste, Control V. And because I've just put the same one in, it hasn't changed, but it's these letters here that you need to change from the equals over to the and that's only if you're doing a premiere video. If it's not a premiere video, if it's just an upload, you don't need to do that. You can get rid of the live stream. Once you're happy with the video, it's embedded and you've changed the title, just hit update. And you can't change the title from within Elementor, by the way. You have to do it back at the dashboard, the WordPress dashboard. Anyway, that video is good to go. Just make sure you've hit update, you hit publish when you're in Elementor, and the visibility is set to public, which means this link is now what we'll share or put onto the Google ads or the Facebook ads or whatever ads are running. This is the link to the artist performance, and we can test it out in another tab, Amy Dillon 2. And yeah, here she is. Obviously, we still have the BellX1 video in there, but when you switch out the video, it'll be all good to go. And the chat is there if you need it. So that's how to set up a page for an artist, and obviously there are multiple artists. So you just, again, you can duplicate Amy Dillon. You can just make sure it's one of the artist pages and not, for instance, the home page or something like that, because it won't work, or any of the Elementor number pages. Make sure it's an artist that you see. And yeah, you do that for all the artists, and use the different links. And yeah, I think that's everything for the upload.